Well, some people do a lot of talking, but not much action. A feisty woman in Inglewood taking on a mission that she hopes, though, will level the playing field for some young men there.
But when you see her, you might be surprised and even wonder why she, of all people, is taking on such a big project. WGN's Michael Mater introduces you to one of Chicago's very own.
Some might call Sally Hazelgrove a fish out of water. A white woman living with her kids in the predominantly black neighborhood of Inglewood, one of the roughest areas of Chicago.
My father tried to bribe me. That's kind of funny. He offered me, he's like, I'll give you $3,000 if you leave Inglewood. And I said, I'm never going to leave Inglewood, but I'll take the money.
Hazelgrove says she moved here because she wanted to level the playing field for these kids.
I went to court, advocated for them. I was appalled by the large number of these youth and nobody there advocating for them.
While Hazelgrove may not look like them, the color of her skin has not kept her from her mission to help these young men succeed.
How come everybody else doesn't love these kids as children? You know, if this was on the north side of Chicago, the things that go on here, everybody would be rushing up to help. I'm like, what is it? Is it really because they're black? Are you kidding me? Jab, right, hook, right.
She doesn't see color, and that's probably as deep a rooted thing in her as there is.
Hazelgrove found something that would inspire these kids to fight their way out of their circumstance.
Jab, uppercut, hook, right. You goofed up. It's okay. When I surveyed the young men, boxing was a sport they most wanted access to, and I figured they're already fighting in the streets. So I'm just going to take a negative, turn it into a positive.
I do look at her as an angel. She's like a guardian angel.
Tanya Dickerson's son, Deontay Robinson, has made a 180-degree turn since he started boxing.
His anger issues are coming towards the end. He's doing a whole lot better. I think that he can take his anger out on the punching bags, and I think that's exactly what he does.
I think it was cool. Like, she came in a black neighborhood, they know she white, and she just started talking to us. We just started coming to boxing with us, then she got us this far.
But getting the boys to the boxing ring is a different story. She drives the kids in this donated minivan 15 miles to South Chicago's Bessemer Park. It's the closest ring that allows them to come in, work out, and spar.
Steady taking my anger out on other people, I can take it out in the ring. And it gives me something to do, steady like stand outside on the street, get in trouble.
Hazelgrove's boxing program, named Restoring the Path, has no home base.
I was donated equipment from Chi-Town Boxing when they shut down, about $20,000 worth, and it's a blessing. And right now we're looking for our own spots.
Her influence on these kids reaches far outside the ring.
Most coaches, they just want you to fight. She put more into it. She go up to the schools, she talk to the teachers, she take them to church.
I love it like she's like a second mom. She take care of us like we her own child. She risks a lot of things for us.
She's the little white tornado, and a lot of times they're surprised. But she breaks down the walls and the barriers, and before you know it, she's got another friend.
Good job. Good job, boys. I have a love for them as though they were mine, just like my own children.
Is that what it is? You treat them like your own children?
Yes, absolutely.
Sally Hazelgrove. She's one of Chicago's very own.
Very feisty lady. Well, if you'd like to learn more about Hazelgrove's Restoring the Path boxing program, or you want to donate, you can log on to her website, restoringthepath.org.
Coming up, actress Lindsay Lohan going to jail, but a judge